Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session. That would be expiry. Yes, expiry, monthly expiry, 25th of January, Wednesday friends. Day after tomorrow is going to be a holiday, so expiry is tomorrow. Coming to our previous video analysis, we had given Bajaj Finserv for a sell. Okay, we had a nice little fibor drawn here from the recent top to the bottom, and we told you that this would be the level to sell, and from there you can see straight down. I would not want to pull up the call but then if you look at 1340 put or 1350 or 1340 put, you will see it has doubled. Coming to the buy stock, that was HDFC Life. You have seen it going straight up. Again, if you look at 1660 call option, it would have doubled friends. This is a very good momentum with which puts or calls would definitely get doubled. Nifty. See, Nifty, I told you that this is an important trend line. Okay, you have seen it crossing the trend line and retesting. At retest, if you would have cleared a short position at the retest, gave a very good result. See, this would have been our stop loss here, this area, and 1:2 target. There it is, 1:2. Okay, so this and this levels can be tested. That's exactly how it worked. Coming to Bank Nifty, again, very good upward momentum. There was absolutely no resistance, okay, here, but it started moving down. So as soon as the previous day's low was broken, we would have thought of a short. And how would that short look like? Something like this, somewhere here. Okay, when there is a red candle formation, we can create a short. Stop loss little above that, somewhere here, this candle, 1:2 target met. Okay, we didn't expect it to do the gap filling. It went only 50% till here friends of this gap and turned. When it was turning, there was a kind of a our favorite pattern. What is it? Most of you know, and if those of us who don't know, just have a look at the pattern and try to tell me which pattern this is. Okay, anyways, coming to the analysis for tomorrow. Now see, let's remove all this. Nifty has already given this breakout friends. Let me draw that breakout for you. Okay, after the breakout there is a clear retest here. Now if it crosses this particular level here, let's mark the level like this. Okay, you see that there are resistances here, again here. Okay, so if it crosses this levels and sustains, okay, that's when we can create buy positions by selling puts friends. We cannot be creating buy positions by buying calls at this level. When will we create buy positions by buying calls? That would be at this particular top break. Okay, so ideally, or I feel that this would not happen in one day. Sell positions, very easy to create. We can see this trend line here, small trend line. Okay, break of this trend line and a retest would give us entry towards sell side. No, this is not giving a proper trend line. This would be the right trend line. Okay, coming to Bank Nifty, my view on Nifty is positive friends. Simple reason, this was a surprise kind of a move that Nifty gave just to ensure that the buyers get out of this particular zone. Now it will resume its journey upwards. Will it go ahead and cross the stop in one day? Probably not, but there is always a chance when it is an expiry. Coming to Bank Nifty, we see something little different here. This can be your left shoulder, this can be your head. Okay, it's not yet created, and there is a possibility of a right shoulder somewhere here friends. Now if I draw this trend line like this, there are not so many touches, but there is a possibility of this trend line breakout to come. That's when we can create buy positions by selling puts. I told you. When will we buy? calls to create buy position. For that we'll have to cross this particular trend line, this particular level. What was this level? This is the previous day support level. Okay, so after it crosses this level and gives a retest somewhere like this, and that's when your calls will start accumulating good premiums. And what would be the target? In that case, the target will not be the top, the target will be somewhere here only, friends, because if it moves till here, there will be good amount of sellers who will start selling it. So keeping that in mind, we would keep one small target, book profits, and move out for the day. So if you are still not liked the video, do hit the like button. If you are still not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you would not miss on any notification that is coming up on the channel, friends. Likes are not many, friends. Likes is one way in which the content that I am creating would be sent over to a larger audience. So please hit the like button if you are liking the videos. Coming to our buy stock for the day, that would be M&M. See, reason is simple. I am drawing a Fibo first from the recent bottom to the recent top, and it is taking at this golden ratio, which is 61.8. okay, it is taking rejection at this particular level. Now I am going to draw a line here at this particular level. Okay, what do we see? This was the support zone previously. If you have seen my previous videos, you might have seen that I told you that this kind of momentum will come. Just like these red candles that have come, there will be green candles that will come to break this particular zone. Now after it went up, it again came to retest that levels. Will it go ahead and fall? The answer is no, I don't feel so. It will go ahead and take a reversal again, kind of a double bottom pattern that has been created here. This is your first bottom, upward momentum, second bottom, and an upward momentum again is expected. If you look carefully on 5 minutes chart, I also notice a triple kind of a bottom. First bottom, second bottom, and triple bottom, followed by upward momentum. As soon as this area is broken, we can create buy positions by buying calls. Will we buy calls for tomorrow's expiry? The answer is no. We will buy calls for the next expiry only. Coming to the sell stock, I was actually going to give Bajaj Finserv again for a sell, but then it was a stock given today. But you know now that it is still weak. You can create sell positions there as well, but for today we are selecting Titan as a sell stock. Reason is simple. We see that there was a channel, friends. Okay, this is called a downward channel. The possibility of breakout on this channel is the highest, but what it did is it broke down. Okay, it gave a breakdown. After this breakdown, if I remove this channel, I would like to show you something here. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, and this is your right shoulder, and this is your breakdown followed by downward momentum. Now what has happened? This is another trend line which it has broken now. Okay, it broke this trend line and it is at a retest level. What would happen next? It will start falling. First target would be this low, 2365. Second target would be 2359. And for third target, if I am moving to 1 day time frame, do I have any? The answer is no. So what we'll do is we will create something called a trend extension, Fibo based. So for that, what we'll do, we'll open this tool called Fibo trend based extension. Trend based Fibonacci extension is what it is called. From the start of the trend, which is here, till the bottom of the trend, which is here. Okay, followed by the retracement, which is here. This is the highest retracement, and we will look for 61.8 here, which is somewhere here. 2351 can be your final target, friends. And if in case market is negative, then you can look for this target, which is 2322. This is a very big target to give. We may not be able to reach till there, but yes, just keep a target handy. This can be your next target or a final target, friends. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do hit that like button. Also, share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make good money from stock markets, friends. Thanks for watching. Wish you a profitable expiry.